twice.
That's it. That's what makes you a wilderness expert?
That and my superior intellect.
I'm doomed.
Now what say we go hunt something to eat? I'm starved. Ow, woo!
Can't we just order a pizza?
No, Itch. Out here it's eat or be eaten. All right. I picked up a rabbit. I mean a raccoon. Or a quail.
I'm picking up an analogy.
Here, Lunchy Lunchy.
Charlie, I saw a lion, like the one in the movie, only bald, and he has
a bald lion.
But I saw him, Charlie. He went right down there. You see him, Charlie? Do you?
Yeah, Itch.
Oh, he must have gone on a diet or something, Charlie. Well, I don't like it here, Charlie. It's too dark and it's too scary and it's too...
You gotta relax, Itch. Look, just go find us some wood while I finish starting the fire.
But that lion might be out there. All right, get a grip. Be tough. Just keep thinking wolf, wolf. Yeah, but what if the lion's thinking snack, snack? Oh. Okay, one more. Okay, and I'm out of here. I just, what's that? A snake! Snake!
What is wrong?
There's something out there, Charlie.
Yeah, and I suppose it's Bigfoot. Oh, hello, Bigfoot. Hello.
Oh, it is Bigfoot!
I found you! Hey! You're not the Buffalo Girls.
Yeah, and you're not Bigfoot.
You talked!
No, we didn't. And I didn't either.
Wow, circus dogs, huh?
No, circus dog. We're wolves.
You're not a wolf, silly.
Okay, so we're not wolves, but we're still roughing it.
Well, that's great, because I'm a Buffalo Girl, and I can teach you everything about hunting and tracking and camping and fishing and...
Hey. We know all that stuff, okay? We have natural instincts.
We do?
So we don't need help.
Maybe she needs help, Charlie. Charlie, this is a big forest for such a little girl.
Yeah, all right. She can stay, but no more hugging.
Oh, goody!
These sticks stink.
You know, it works better if one of those sticks was a match.
You have matches?
No, but I can show you how Buffalo Girl starts a fire.
Just tell me.
Just gimme.
Just tell me.
Just cooperate.
No!
No! It's my book.
It's my wood. Buffalo Girls, you just want to do...
Hey, Kayla, did they find Charlotte yet?
Nope. But Miss Flagstone and the park rangers are forming a search party.
I just hope they find her before the big storm hits.
Poor little Charlotte.
buffalo gal.
I was here first, Poochie.
Oh, another day in paradise.
Yo, Itch, hey, I hope you're hungry, because I'm going to catch us a bunch of sea bass.
Rainbow trout.
I knew that. Now quit churning up the water with that stick.
This stick is an official Buffalo Girl fishing spear.
Oh, man, who needs a spear when you've got fangs and claws? Ow!
Mine! Come here, fishing. Come here.
Ooh, nice catch. Whoa, that's what I call teamwork. You see what you guys can do when you pull together?
Itchy.
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 Ooh, maybe we'll get out of these woods alive after all.